Hi everyone, I'm Sherry and welcome to Make It Summer with Walmart. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable shorts and these cute shoes with fabric Mod Podge and Waverly fabric. So let's get started. So we're going to need some blank canvas shoes that I got at Walmart, some Mod Podge fabric, a pair of scissors, some Waverly fabric, a pair of jeans, a piece of sandpaper, an old shirt, and a brush. We're gonna have to cut these jeans off. I made a little mark right here and here. So just get your scissors and just cut both legs at the same time. So now you have shorts. And now I'm gonna show you how to distress and fray the edges. So take the sandpaper, I'm just going to tear off a little piece. And I'm going to bunch the ends all together like this. And then I'm just going to take my sandpaper and just rub it. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my shirt. And I'm going to cut a big piece off of the back. Okay, the next step is we're going to brush Mod Podge onto the back of the fabric. The reason why we're doing this is so that when you go to cut, it won't fray. It'll give you a nice crisp clean cut. Now that my fabric is coated, I just let it dry, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut out the piece that is going to fit onto the jean shorts. Now that I've cut my fabric to fit around the pocket and around the belt loop, I'm going to go ahead and coat the back with fabric Mod Podge. Mod Podge will adhere the fabric to the jeans so that you can even throw them into the washing machine. Okay, now that the back is covered, I'm going to go ahead and adhere the fabric to my jeans. So from the previous fabric that I covered with Mod Podge, I went ahead and I cut out these pockets to go on the back. For the last step, we're going to embellish the shorts with this cute Waverly Inspiration fabric. We're going to cut out these little leaves that are on the fabric and Mod Podge them down to the jeans. So now I'm just going to cut some more leaves out, and these will be applied to the shoes. So that is how you make this cute coordinating shorts and shoes. For more ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.